Guys, make sure to stay until the end. One common mistake, if you make that mistake, guys, we'll talk about what it is. It can actually cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW 5 Series Generation F10 F11 from year 2010 to year 2017. If you need to find where the power seat relay is located, which relays you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do almost anything. Transmissions, engines, bodywork, codes, fuses. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Now, guys, we took pictures of every fuse box in that BMW, okay? Every fuse box, so we can clearly, guys, show you where everything is located, so you can clearly see the fuses, because otherwise they're hidden in places where practically we cannot get the camera. So we're going to show you one by one, okay? We have video about every single fuse, every single relay. So let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to, guys, okay, find where the fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, watch our video. It will take you probably, guys, less than 2 minutes, replace that fuse and you're back on the road. Otherwise you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We make those videos for your convenience. Now we'll make video for every single fuse and every single relay, guys, and we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel. Check it out, they can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, which relay we need to check? For the power relay, we're going to demonstrate on that BMW 5 Series here. Now guys, quick fact, 9 out of 10 people do not know how many hidden fuse boxes we have all over this car. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW F10 F11. But what you guys need to do now for the power seats, we'll work into different fuse boxes. First you need to go ahead and open the passenger door, then open the glove box. On the very back, on the right side, you have one cover. Remove it. Underneath you'll find a fuse box, guys, that we have a layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses, guys, sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need, guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money, guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good. Always test it. It even happened to us, guys, okay? And we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see, guys, how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically, guys, do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, if you want to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a really good price, quick shipping as well, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below, guys. Make sure you get some for peace of mind, and you can put some spare ones in the glove box. So for the power seats, guys, okay, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to give you one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. First, guys, you do not have a relay. You have relay fuses. The relay part practically is controlled by a module, by the seat modules, but the fuses are the ones that you will need to check, and it will be quite a few of those. So you wonder, guys, okay, where those fuses are located now. So we're going to come, guys, okay, and start with fuse number 27. So we'll come kind of like here in the, okay, here in the middle. So if we come in that row of fuses here, okay, that will be 23, 4, 5, 6, 27. that fuse under the cable here. Then you need to check, guys, okay, fuse number 32. So that's 35, 4, 32, 32 will be that fuse here. After that, you will need to, guys, check fuse number 52, okay, and 52 will be in that row of fuses here. That's talking about 50, 51, 52 and 53. These two fuses will need to be checked. Very, very important fuses. Then you will, guys, need to check fuse number 67, this fuse right here. And next you need to come to the trunk, open the trunk. On the right side you have a cover, just pull it behind. You have that fuse box here. You need to check fuse number 112 specifically. So we're talking about that fuse here, and 114. These two fuses will need to be checked, okay, for the power seats as well. So you guys have all kinds of different fuses, relays, okay, in that car. So what we recommend, guys, okay, buy some spare fuses, relays, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, okay, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere. So always keep some spare fuses and relays in your glove box, guys. That way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.